Rachel, and today I'm back with a video that I'm pretty excited to film. So here I have got my Harriet Wright Designs B6 planner that I'm going to use as my memory planner. This has just arrived about 10 minutes ago, and all I've done is take the packaging off. I've just had a quick peek inside just to see if I needed to undo the this tape on the box or anything like that, but as you can see I have not undone this because I wanted to open it on camera and to give you guys my reaction. So we'll move the box out the way and you can see that it's packaged pretty well. I'll just get my scissors so that I can quickly cut through there. We cut the side. Oh, and I think it's got some tissue paper on as well, so it's packaged really nicely. You can tell that I haven't had a peek. So I ordered this maybe 4 weeks ago. I think it was a pre-sale. So that's why I had to wait a little bit. It was dispatched on, I think it was last Thursday, and today is Tuesday. So it's not taken too long to come, not too long at all. So you can see, what do I have for size comparison? So it's B6 size. If you're familiar with that size, then you will know. This is like a Hobonichi Weeks cover. If I put it that way, you can sort of, maybe that will give you a size comparison. If I go and find my Stalogy, that might be quite good as well. So this is a B6 Stalogy and a B6 Motome cover. So you can see round about the same, probably with the cover off and all the decoration, that would be about the same size. So I'm going to very carefully try and open this up. I want to see maybe if I can save the tissue paper and the sticker. Maybe, maybe not. And then let's unravel this. What have we got on the back? We've got some tape on the back as well. I can see the design through. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm so excited. Oh, okay, right. So we can't see the cover design yet. Obviously, I know what I got, but I'm sure that you'll be able to guess what I got as well now that you've just seen that pretty little girl there. So I got the gold coil. You did have a choice of gold, silver, black or rose gold. Now, I'm actually quite glad that I missed the pre-sale for the 7x9s. I had it in my basket, this exact planner, but in the 7x9, and I had the rose gold coil on it and the rose gold tabs. And for one reason or another, I didn't end up checking out. I wasn't quite 100% sure. And then these came out and I actually saw the colours of the coils on Harriet Wright Designs Instagram page. And the rose gold is very, very copper, and I wouldn't have liked it. So I'm glad now that I didn't end up doing that and I ended up going for the gold coil. It feels like quite nice quality as well, nice and springy, but it doesn't feel flimsy, which is nice. So this is the cover design that I got. I got the Disney princesses. I just think it's absolutely beautiful. I was worried that I might think that this was too small for memory planning. And my original plan, as you know, because I did say it on my videos a couple of times, was I was going to buy this and then I was going to go back and do the pre-sale for the 7x9. But in between, I ended up watching quite a few B6 memory planning spreads on YouTube, and I'm quite glad now that I didn't go for the 7x9 because I think that this definitely is the size that I'm going to be wanting. So I did pay for the tabs separately. You had the option to just buy the planner with just like this with no tabs, and you could sort yourself out your little labels on your tabs afterwards. My dog has sat on the tissue paper on the floor because it's nice and warm. Is that warm? I was going to save that. Apparently it's a dog bed now. So what have we got in here? We have got some icons, which I believe are freebies. I think everybody gets these, whether or not you buy the tabs or not. Pretty sure. Mine are gold, and I got the gold coil. I'm not sure if everybody gets the corresponding metal freebie or if everybody just gets the gold. I'm not sure on that, but they're beautiful. And then, like I said, I did pay for the tabs as well, the tab covers, the tab labels, what would you call them? So they're to go on here. And then I've just got a little thank you card there as well. I'm super happy with this. I'm super happy with it. It looks so pretty. So I'm kind of familiar with the layout from pictures on Harriet Wright Designs Instagram. So we've got a pretty thick sheet of vellum there, which is quite nice. I was wondering whether or not I could put a name vinyl on the top, but actually I don't think I want to. I think I'll probably put my name vinyl on here. There is a space to write your name there. I'd have to do it really small. I want to have a nice big name. I want the one from Josephine Beau Designs that I have on all my planners, because that's my favourite. The paper feels nice and thick. So then we've just got 2 pages there. Plan a life you love. There are dreamers and there are planners. The planners make their dreams come true. I knew I was going to mess that up. And that is a quote from Edwin Lewis Cole there. So it looks like we've got a notes page there. The dividers are like a thin acetate. They're a thicker acetate actually. They're not thin at all. I'm lying. And then we go into what you could use for either goal planning. You've got 12 boxes there for one for each month. Maybe you could do birthdays, you could do forward planning, whatever you wanted on there. And then on the next page, oh, I've seen this and I'm not sure what I will use it for. So we've got a notes page there again. Then we've got another divider. So is this going to be January then? Because there wasn't a month in there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and that must be a notes at the back. So this is the January tab. That is just maybe, I mean, I don't know, what would I put on there? 2021 maybe, and just have some notes in there. So yeah, this page, I'm not sure. Maybe because this is going to be a memory planner, I will use that as a place to stick down photos of things that happened in the month. Then I've got my B6 monthly. And I have bought some of the B6 monthly kits from Harriet Wright Designs as well, just to see how they go on down there. And then this is your weekly spread. So my original thoughts on it were that I didn't want to have Saturday and Sunday sharing a column. And that was why I was edging towards the 7x9. And also I wanted to be able to get the washi on the bottom. I like to be able to put the washi down from the kits. And again, I didn't want to cover up part of Sunday and make it even smaller. So what I'm going to do is I am going to do the washi, but I'm just going to do it up to the Friday. And then I'm going to also put it below the boxes, and I'm going to put my date covers above the boxes to give myself a little bit of extra space. But I do believe that these columns are all sized to fit the standard vertical size stickers. So that's good. So I believe you get 5 in a month. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then after that you are back to a notes page, and then you're on to your next divider and your next month. And that's going to be all the same all the way through until you get to this last one, because this was a 13th tab. And there's only 12 months in a year. So let's see what's behind here. I'm going to take a guess at some notes pages, which is really nice to have. It is. It's just some grid note pages, which again I could use to stick some memory photographs down, or maybe even pictures or things that Jensen and Paige make for me I can use in mine. Then we've got some plain notes paper, which is really nice actually to have the option of the plain notes paper as well. And then we are on to a last piece there that's got the Harriet Wright Design details. We've got another piece of that vellum, which is really thick, really nice actually. I'm definitely going to put some vinyls on there. And then we are back onto the back cover, which is the same design as the front. I like that. I like that it's got the same design on the front and on the back. And it's a nice thick cover. It's going to take a lot for you to sort of accidentally fold that and crease it and make a mess of it. It's going to be nice and protected. So yeah, that is my B6 Harriet Wright Design planner. I believe the design name for the one that I've got is Once Upon a Time. It's absolutely beautiful and I'm really happy with it, and I can't wait to start filming plan with me's in here for you guys. I hope you're excited about that too. I will probably film one as soon as I'm done with this video, because I'm super excited to get into this planner. But yeah, that is my planner from Harriet Wright Designs. I am going to go and jump straight in here and film a plan with me for you, but I'm off and I will see you all soon. Bye.